Welcome to qnawire.
So you're using here the law of cosines is what needs to be done. And in the first problem, notice that you have angle A and you need to find um, side A. So to do this is the side A squared, and that equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A, which means side A would be equal to the square root of 4 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 4 times 8 times the cosine of 46 degrees. I'm going to do this straight into Desmos calculator. And so that, again, would be the square root of 4 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 4 times 8 times the cosine, and you need to be in degree mode to do this, times the cosine of 46 degrees. And you get to the nearest tenth for side lengths would be 6. Then the measure of angle B you need to find, and the measure of angle C. So now you can do the law of sines. You can do the sine of angle A over its opposite side 6, and that's equal, if you want to find angle B next, sine of angle B over 4. So it'd be 4 sine 46 over 6 that you're going to inverse sine so that you just have the angle B. So that would be inverse sine of 4 sine 46 over 6, which is to the nearest degree 29 degrees. And then you can find angle C by just subtracting from 180. 180 minus 29 minus the given angle 46. And so the angle C would be 105 degrees. This is how the rest of them are going to work as well. Here's another one. In number 2, you have angle B, and you can use law of cosines to find side B. So B would be equal to the square root of A is 6 and C is 8. So 6 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 6 times 8 cosine of angle B, which is 32 degrees. So B would be approximately 6 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 6 times 8 times the cosine of 32. 4.3 to the nearest tenth. And then we need to find the measure of angles A and C. So we can do the sine of angle A over its opposite side 6, and that's going to be, by the law of sines, equal to the sine of 32 degrees over side B, which we just found to be 4.3. So cross multiply the 6 and then take the inverse sine. And so you would do the inverse sine of 6 sine 32 over 4.3, which is to the nearest degree 48 degrees. And then Subtract from 180, you got 180 minus 48 that we just found, minus the given 32, leaves you with 100 degrees for the angle C. Numbers 3 and 4 work exactly like these. So you're not supposed to request multiple questions. I'm not sure if you needed to do each one, you just need to know how to do it. So hopefully through the first two, you know how to do 3 and 4. If not, then resubmit just those.